Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful coily wig. But before we get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you how I was able to install, quickly install this beautiful coily wig. This wig is really beautiful. The coils are something else. They're so soft, because after moisturizing it, I was able to comb it with my comb. The coils are really soft. This wig is from West Kiss Hair Company. I've worked with them before. This time I'm working with their coily wig, and it's a lace closure wig. It has a little bit of lace in front up till here, right here, just in front. You're gonna see it in the video. So it comes with this hairband that comes with this thing that keeps it very secure. The wig is so secure. The only thing I did was use my beard hairspray, which is totally optional. Honestly, I am absolutely in love with it. It's so beautiful. And I'll put all the specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. Without further ado, let's go into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see. So these are the accessories that came with the wig. Stronger, step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are. And this is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, the coils are really tight, and the wig is so soft. So as you can see, the wig comes with a band that has this thing on it that makes it really sticky. When you put it on your head, it's gonna stick to your head very well. It's gonna be very well secured. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation on the lace part of the wig. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. Town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. So I will be applying my beard hair spray. It's a free spray, And then I'm gonna tie a scarf on it and leave it to dry for like 10 minutes. While I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm just gonna twist out the parting. And I'm gonna moisturize the wig. I'm gonna spray water, apply leave-in conditioner, and apply heat protectant oil. As you guys can see, this wig looks so beautiful and so soft. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and take out the scarf. As you guys can see, the hairline looks so natural. So right here, I'm going to use my hot comb to just lay the closure part a little bit. And that is all. This is the final look, guys. As you guys can see, this wig is absolutely beautiful and I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.